Short video comparing these spanners to Snap-on spanners. Packaging's a bit strange. It says size and length extra longs. And also it says ratchet spanners, and they actually are not ratchet spanners. In a nice foam. Nice head on them. Quite a thick spanner. They say extra long, they're not really that long to be fair. That's a 21 spanner. That's a 19 spanner. That down there. It's a Snap-on set. Getting a nice foam. These are the Flank Drive Plus. The Snap-on ones are longer, although they're not actually long spanners, if that makes sense. Snap-on do longer ones, but not in Flank Drive Plus. So the Welch ones are, to me, just a standard size spanner really. Nice little set though. 8mm to 21. And this set is 7 to 19. So look at a 13mm spanner. Similar.